up, bro?
Hey, drop it, dude, drop it, man.
Hey, we're talking to you, man. Hello?
Hey, drop it, man, just drop it. Hey, drop it.
All right, everything is being recorded, okay? Everything is on camera.
Hey, buddy, just drop it, man. Hey, just drop it, brother.
Hey, stop right there. Show me your hands.
All right, just stay back, sir.
What's this address? Yeah.
This is like, it's 3639 Douglas, so now he's going on, like, St. Louis or somewhere.
10:13. What do you have? He doesn't want to stop. He's walking through. Yeah. Where's he going right now?
He's going, east.
What's going on?
You know what? I fucking left my car on.
I can.
Hey, brother, we can get you some help, man.
We got a couple of citizens in the back of us. They're telling us that he has a gun. That he is the one who shot.
Hey, brother, drop it, man. Lawndale.
1800 Lawndale, right?
Yeah.
1800 Lawndale can be out.
All you gotta do is just drop it. We're here to help you, man. Just drop the gun.
Hey, what are you trying to do, eh?
Hey, buddy, just drop it, man. They're coming on this side, so just kind of be careful.
Stay back!
It's in your hands, buddy.
Throw your hands, dude. Get your hands out of your pocket. Dude, stop. Get your hands up. Come on.
Shots fired. Shots fired by the police. Stay right there.
God! Drop the gun, man! Drop the gun!
Just drop it. Just stay down.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Don't move!
Are you hit? Officer hit. Officer hit. Officer down. Send an ambulance.
Where's the gun? Where's the gun, dude?
They shoot me.
You shot at us. I'm hit. I'm hit.
It's over here. It's over here.
So the EMS.
Are you hit? Get an ambulance. You got
Where's the gun? Where's the gun, dude?
over there. It's over there.
No, you shot at us. 10-11, I'm hit. Send an ambulance.
You good? We hit. We hit. We hit, Mark. We hit. We hit.
Left side, left side, left side.
Is that yours?
Yeah, this is mine. Dude, get your hands out of your pocket. Dude, stop. Get your hands out.
What?
Come on. Come on.
God! Drop the gun, man! God!
It's over here. It's over here.
Take it out. Get through it. Get through it. Are you here? Where's the gun? Where's the gun, dude?
It's over there. It's over there. I moved it away. Fuck. Mark, you good? You good? Where you hit? Where you hit, Mark? Where you hit?
Left side, left
Your
side.
side?
Is that yours?
Yeah, this is mine. Hey, let's get Mark inside. Where you hit? He's hitting the leg on the side.
Like,
Which one?
left side. Fuck.
You're good, Mark. You're good.
The button.
Fuck me.
They need all this area blocked off right now. People start backing people up. I can't see what's happening. You got scissors on you?
I got a knife.
I got my med kit.
Back up now! Back up!
I'm hitting the vest too.
I got scissors. Is it up here?
Right here.
Francis. I moved the gun away from him. It's gonna be right here. It's gonna be around here. I just moved it away to be sure. Look right there. It's gonna be right there.
Through. We got through and through.
Good, Mark. You're good, dude. You think you got another one?
Yeah, I got in the vest.
In the vest?
Yeah.
Let's get his vest off. You're good. Relax. You got through and through and it's not bleeding. You're good, okay? You're good now. You're good.
He got me in the hand too. Sorry.
You got you in the hand?
Yeah.
10-10. We have a second officer shot in the hand, okay? First officer shot in the upper right leg and the vest.
Left leg.
Upper left leg.
Show me your hands, dude. Get your hands out of your pocket. Dude, stop. Get your hands up. Come on. Drop the gun! Don't move! Are you here? Where's the gun, dude? It's over there. You shot it up. Show me your hands, dude. Get your hands out of your pocket. Dude, stop. What? Get your hands up. What? Come on. What?
Shot fired by the police.
Guys! Drop the gun, man! Drop the gun! Don't move! Are you here? Stay here.